Hello, dear Santander students. Hope you are staying at home and staying safe. My name is Saksham Singh, your computer teacher. For the meantime, till the schools remain closed, we should study through videos. Today we study computer and the topic is MS Word. So first of all, we have to open the MS Word in this Windows 10 with the help of this Cortana search bar. We here type the word. So here you see the word 2003 is appear. So click on this word 2013. Your Microsoft Word 2013 has been opened. In the previous video, we have completed Home tab, Insert tab, Design tab. Now, in this video, we will move forward and we will study about the page layout. So, page layout, in this page layout section, we have this first group is page setup. In this page chapter, first is margins. What is margins? Set the margins size for the entire document or the current section. Choose from several commonly used margin formats and customize your own. As you see, these are the margins which are inbuilt there. Margins means in your paper, as you see in your paper, we have to make a margin while you answering in a answer sheet of your exam. You will use the scale and draw the line, draw and sketch the line just left side of the page to make the margins, to make the answer attractive. Not there is one line is so long and another is short, so we have to make a margins to make the document in a very proper sequence, and the lines which are inserted in a proper order. So we use margins. There are number of inbuilt margins over there. As you see, just like this document, you have seen these are the space are left behind. as you write as you write from this side, these are the space left behind, and from that side this space is left behind. These are the called margins of the page, and there is also from the upper side and the lower side. So margins, as you select the normal margins, as you see, normal is already selected. If you select narrower, you see there is a less space between these margins. Okay, this margins, upper margin shows the left and right side margin, and this margin shows the top and bottom margins of the page. So you have select any of the margins of your choice, like this moderate and wide means there is a lot of space left behind these margins. Okay, so if you want to custom your margins, click on this custom margins button top. How much space if you want to left for from the top side, bottom side, left, right, all these types. Okay, now coming to so we have selected the normal margins. Now coming to the next point, which is orientation. What is orientation? Gives your page a portrait or landscape layout. As you see, when you use a mobile phone for capturing a picture or image, you have to use a mobile phone. When you state a portrait image has been clipped, but when there are a number of persons are more, you detail your mobile phone and you make a landscape view. As you see, first is portrait view is selected, this one, and another is landscape view. As you see, the paper is more wide, or we can say the length is small and breadth is wide, and in the portrait length is more and breadth is less. Okay, all of you understand what is orientation. Now come to the next point, size. Choose the page size of your document. As you see, there is a letter which is 21.59 into 27.94. These are the inbuilt size which are available in your MS Word document. So we have mostly selected the A4 size because we have A4 size papers and all the works has been done in A4 size papers. So it is easy to print because our printer is for A4 size mostly. So all these you have select any of them: letter size, legal, statement, executive, BSGS5, envelope, envelope DL, whatever of your choice, A6, A3, there is also present A3, and any of your choice. You have to select the size. Okay, now come to the next point, columns. As you see in your books, there is the anything written in your books is either in one column, two column, three column, but mostly it is in one column or two column. So one column means from this you can write only in one column only. Now in two columns, as you selected these two columns, as you have to write from there there also, and when you completed the writing just from there at the last of the page, now you are not moved to the next page but also move to the their next column, just as mostly in your geography books, civics books, any of your books you have seen these types of two columns. You can make three columns also, but mostly we use one column or either two column, not more than that. Okay, now come to the next point. What is breaks? Add a break at your current location to have a text pick up again at the next page, section or column. If you want to make a break there, just like to, if your paragraph has been finished and there is a less space available there, so you need a break like a page break, or we can say a section break. Now next is line numbers. So what is line numbers? It is not, but if you write a line, you have to, this is a line and full stop, next. As you see, these are the line numbers of your page, 1 2 3 and on so on. So with the help of these line numbers you can insert the line numbers of your page. As you see, none or continuous. Now come to the next point, hyphenation. So what is hyphenation? Hyphenation, when you writing a word, for example there is a word which is very long, like we can say that institutions. So while writing institution, when you write INSTI and the space in the page is left and you come to the next line, so we use hyphenation. Hyphenation is a mark to, when a word runs out of room, word normally moves it to the next line. When you turn on hyphenation, word hyphenates it instead. So and there is not space left there. Some words of this institution word, for example institution word, some words are on the above line and some words are the on the lower line with the help of hyphenation. So all of you understand this page setup. So thank you and have a nice day. Keep stay at home and stay safe.